Assessing the 2021 Kenya Certificate of Primary Education results. Ladies and gentlemen, as is our tradition, KCPE examination results will be collected by respective schools from sub-county education officers. Candidates should therefore collect their results from their respective examination centers. The individual candidates' results can also be assessed by sending candidate's index number followed by the initials KCPE through a short message service, SMS, to 2006. Individual candidates' results can be accessed by sending candidate's index number followed by the initials KCPE through a short message service to 20076. This service will be available immediately after this event. Head teachers will be required to download and print the online results slips for candidates in their schools and authenticate the same before they are released to the parents and guardians. His Excellency the President has directed that every child shall be and must be given his results. And if there are issues, the Ministry of Education headquarters is there. Let us deal with them. First of all, give the child the results, then come and tell us what the problem is. It is now my distinct pleasure to declare 2020 KCPE examination results officially released and wish the and wish and wish all the candidates success in their future endeavors.